Imperial is a premier manufacturer of architectural woodwork. We were looking for an apprenticeship for our logistics and our supply chain management, and Harper had that program.
From the onset of the program, we worked with Harper to understand what the curriculum was, and we wanted to try to find ways that we could tie our training to the types of classes and the types of programs that they were studying each semester.
I learned a lot within school, but I've also learned a lot from Imperial that you can't really learn in the classroom. It brings you in at a ground level, and it gives you very, very valuable experience in the industry. It's put me in contact with a lot of companies that have taught me a lot throughout the process.
I look at a program like this, it's great because it helps us train him the way that we want him trained for us.
Just literally not having to go out and constantly recruit, being able to build someone for the position will be a huge benefit to us and I think to the individual as well.